Manipur Governor Ajay Bhalla has extended heartfelt greetings to the people of Manipur on the joyous occasion of Cheiraoba, the Manipuri New Year's Day. In a message, the governor expressed that the auspicious day offers people a chance to welcome new beginnings, set inspiring resolutions, and to work collectively towards nurturing peace and harmony in the state. He also wished for unity and friendship among all communities and also wished for a more peaceful, harmonious, and thriving Manipur. Meanwhile, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Satyabrata also extended wishes to the public for the upcoming Cheiraoba and Eid-Ul-Fitr celebrations. In a message, the speaker wished for prosperity, harmony, and peace in the state. He also wished for unity among various communities residing in the state. On the other hand, MLA Yumnam Kemchan also extended wishes to the public, particularly Meitei people, for the upcoming Cheiraoba celebration. In a message, he expressed that Meitei people are all proud to have such a refined culture that a well-organized meal is prepared with different vegetables dishes in every Meitei household and are offered to God and departed souls of each family on the occasion of Cheiraoba.